Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to repair Windows using command prompt. This method is very useful if your system files are corrupted, Windows is slow, or you are facing unexpected errors. We will use built-in Windows tools. I am using Windows 11, but the same method works in Windows 10. Let's begin. First, click on the Start button. Type CMD. Click Run as administrator. Click Yes if user account control appears. Now we will use the System File Checker tool. Type the following command. sfc/scannow. Press Enter. This command will scan all protected system files and automatically repair corrupted files. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. Do not close the window. If Windows says, Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and repaired them, restart your computer. If the issue is still not fixed, we will use DISM. In the same command prompt window, type this command. DISM/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth. Press Enter. This command repairs the Windows system image using Microsoft servers. Wait until it completes. This may take several minutes. After completion, restart your computer. These two commands fix most Windows corruption issues without reinstalling Windows. That's how you repair Windows using command prompt.